there, welcome back to the Nail Chronicle for my really quick cute kitten design. So this will be quite a short video, especially compared to the last one. So I've painted my nails pink with a Bundle Monster polish that I picked up in the 20 for 20 pack. I think it's called Kanid Spirit. I don't know how you say that one. I'll put the text down below. Anyway, so I started out with that one and just using a collaboration plate that they created, which I bought purely because it's got cats on it and I'm a little bit obsessed with cats. So I kept this one simple and just did some straight nail stamping, so no reverse stamping or anything, although this plate could be used for some reverse stamping if you wanted to. I just sort of used the black Kanid polish, which you'll see I'm sort of struggling. It's getting towards the bottom, so I'm gonna have to really look at getting some more, because this is, I don't know about you guys, but for me black is the most commonly used color for my nail stamping because I use it for the outlines, and it stands out against most colors as well. So yeah, I'm kind of going through it quite quickly. So I've done little cat heads. There's just some little paw prints that I put on there. For my pinky, I decided to do just a little tiny cat head as well that you'll see in a few moments. Just so I didn't want to have like it too overbearing with full coverage of the nails. And I also wanted it to make sure that it actually fits on the nail. And for the pinky one, it's always quite hard to try and get something that will fit within that smaller space, particularly if they're narrow like mine are. And so yeah, the origin of this design as well was for a birthday collaboration. So the brief included two things that jumped out to me was that she liked pink and also that she liked pets. And so I've been wanting to use the pink Bundle Monster polish for a little while, and so this was a perfect opportunity to use that because I thought it would work really well with the kitten design, and I think it kind of worked out alright and it wasn't too bad. And the black against the pink really stands out. I was really surprised though that this polish had a bit of a matte finish. It wasn't the normal shininess that you would expect, and I kind of liked it. I would like to see some other polishes like that, so if you know any polishes that have a natural matte finish, let me know in the comments. I'd love to check them out and give them a go rather than using a top coat that's with a matte finish. So there's my final design. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to let me know if you know any straight up matte polishes. Anyway, until next time, I'll see you then. Bye!